we divide 840 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 4 and it is 34. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 0 and it is 40. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 840 divided by 5 is 168. So this much for today and thanks for watching.